Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal, and in today's video I do have another book review for this book by Rosalie Haizlett. So I just did her flip through of this book. Okay, this book, The Tiny World, and now I have Watercolor in Nature. So I got this book last year, or yeah, I do think last year. So in this book we have 20 beginner friendly watercolor project. The paintings are very beautiful, and these are the 20 paintings that we have in this book. I'll do the flip through, and I made some of the paintings. Okay, it's like this. We have the owl, the caterpillar, a fern, lizard, and 3 or 4 paintings are left that I'll complete in this month, October, and then I'll do a sketchbook review. So now I'll just show you the flip through of this book. What else? Okay, let's talk about the book a little bit. So the details in this books are just very beautiful and very detailed. The colors are vibrant. So she has also provided with a reference picture of the painting that you are going to do. It starts with basic pencil sketch. Then we have ink illustration, followed by step-by-step guide to paint it. And the minute and tiny details are highlighted so that it will be easier to do. Also, you only need 6 or 8 colors, only this colors to complete these paintings. It starts with simple and easy projects, and as we progress, the new techniques that we learned from the earlier project are combined in the later ones. Okay, the easiest one is this daisy flower, and lastly we have this red fox. So my favorite one, this butterfly, the snail, the frog, and these two. Now let's go and do a flip through of the book. Okay, one more thing. If you like this type of video that I am doing with my channel and want to see more, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and let's do the flip through of the book. So, Watercolor in Nature. Paint woodland, wildlife and botanical with 20 beginner friendly project. Rosalie Haizlett, nature illustrator. The colors are so vibrant, bright, and so here's the table of content. So you will need only basic supplies to do this book: watercolor, brushes, pencil, permanent fine tipped art paint. You will only need 8 colors to do all the paintings in this book. So we have daisy, imperial moth, fly agaric mushroom, fiddlehead ferns, praying mantis, moose antler, green frog, great horned owl, land snail, monarch, caterpillar and milkweed, leaf sprig, pipewheel swallowtail butterfly, sassafras leaf, pine cone, red-eared salamander, Canada warbler, cotton ball rabbit, wild blueberries, wood duck, and lastly red fox. The tutorial starts with the main painting. all the colors you need. She has provided with the reference picture. Then basic pencil sketch, inking the pencil sketch, then step-by-step guide to do the coloring. I have reached up to here, but I have completed this one too, this too. So I jumped from one painting to the other. So I have jumped from one painting to the others. And now the paintings that I did. Still to do this one. It's incomplete. Then we have the duck and the fox. Only 2 paintings. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment. If you have reached up to here, let me know in the comment. Just type butterfly. Thank you for watching up to here. See you in the next video. Peace.